back out here at a car show in Garland, you know what I'm saying? We got some YouTubers out here. We got the car club out here. We got a little bit of everything and everybody out here. So I'm going to go ahead and start this video off the right way. Let y'all see these, the car show actually over there. Got Rail pulling up. Good timing, you know what I'm saying, in the Hellkeezy. We got Scat Pack Black over here. We got Gray's World 903. That's the YouTube right there. And the Hellcat on the 4Gs. Hellcat on the 4Gs. There you go. Hellcat 4G, yup. Scat Pack Black on Instagram and on YouTube. Make sure you check him out. You already know Rail2Real _ 901. Rail2Real on YouTube. You already know who that is. Yup. And we got my beastie right here. Looking right. Yes, sir. Hey, go and shout out to YouTube, bro.
Man, Kendrick _B_Coolin with a K, not a C.
Yeah.
This YouTube and Instagram.
This the RT right here. Got the wheels on that thing. Red brake caliper covers. You know what I'm saying? 345 thing. There you go right there. On Instagram and on YouTube. I see A to Z Raps. Mopar Life. You know what I'm saying? Thing clean. And we got another one right here, Instagram 5 to the 10. And this Scat Pack thing. That's nice. That's nice. If it's kind of hard for y'all to hear me, I do apologize. They want us to wear the mask out here, so I got the mask on. My voice might be a little muffled. They're doing a car show. They got people out here grading the cars and shit. That thing clean. So they got some old schools out here. Hey, how you doing? C10, that thing clean. I ain't gonna show that on there. Got that 502. This thing right here clean. Oh, we got the Lowriders right here. Yep. That's what I want right here. Old school Impala. I done put a whole bunch of money and work into this thing. That thing clean. That thing real clean. I didn't even see this. That paint. It's nice. That's gonna be one of the next things I want to do. I want to get an old school and build an old school. Look at this. When they first got it to now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that thing came up a long way. Long way. Oh. Where they got that? Cutlass over. I'm gonna go over there in a minute. Making my way. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Thing right here clean. The inside. Corvette. Trying to stay away from the music too. 1970. That's probably the first truck I done seen with tire stickers in person. Got that BMW. Ooh. It's nice. SS, Chevelle. I think I've seen this one before. I think I had this one in a prior video. That thing clean. 396. That's nice. Okay, Monte Carlo. Inside of that thing clean. Not too much, not too. That's a Lando too. Ooh. I've seen this one before. I got this one in an old video too. Dang clean. Nice old school truck. Make my way on this other side. Wait for any damn music. Man, that thing clean. Goldfinger. Alright, 1929 Ford. Dang clean. Nice. Got the 442 colors. Interior clean. Okay. Phone running a little weird. It's hot out here. Phone's hot. Goddamn Impala on them things. It's probably the most done up Impala I done seen. And the most done up Ford Fusion. Lambo doors on a Ford Fusion. Front splitter. You know what I'm saying? I like that. With that SS thing. And then of course you got the Hulk. Safety lines though. You know we gotta get the booty action. I haven't showed y'all his new wrap from A to Z Wraps. And it's reflective. 24-inch Forgiatos. Don't get it messed up. You know what I'm saying? Safety lines on IG. Safety lines on YouTube. You already know. He's done a lot of new stuff to the Hulk. You know what I'm saying? Ain't playing no games. Hulk smash that like button. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that rap crazy. This rap is crazy, bro. Got the bikes out here too. Look at this rap, bro. This rap is crazy.
Different place, you can get stuff. Some things you can't get replaced.
Rap is crazy. Ooh, I like that truck. That's nice. It's different. Escalade with the Lambo door. Saline. Okay. 2005. I want to get them spikes, but not that long. Shit, it's too long. Got another Chevelle 350. 1968. Man. What's up? Y'all seen this one in a previous video as well. Well, if y'all new to the channel, y'all haven't. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like Share the videos, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, you know what I'm saying? Because, yeah, it's going up. You know what Safe Alonzo say? We going up all 2020. Now this thing right here, Jeff, where you at? 1984, El Camino. Look at that. Boy, they ain't playing no games. Race car for real, for real. They got them fat tires on the back. Inside nice and clean, you know what I'm saying? Got the C8 Corvette. I'm not really a big fan of these, to be honest. I mean, they're nice, don't get me wrong. But I'd rather have a 2019 ZR1. I ain't got a Dodge Viper. Ooh. Oh yeah, y'all seen these before. I've seen these before. These were a lot of these cars is actually at the Gas Monkey car show. Man. Okay. They got the 5.0s out here done up. I'm normally not a big fan of 5.0s. They do sound good, I ain't gonna lie. They be running. For real, they be running. Man. Iron Man. This thing right here nasty. This a Elco? Damn, Jeff, where you at? 383 stroker. 600 horsepower, you see it. 1984 El Camino. That's nice. That's real nice. This thing right here clean. Got the RT over here, lights dancing. That thing nice too. Lambo doors on the RT. Challenger, you know what I'm saying? Got the interior done. Trunk, okay. That's nice. That's real nice. I feel like I skipped some cars, but trying to get my phone to not be running funny with this heat. I feel like it's choppy, but another Elco. 1972 Elco. Yeah, it's nice. They got some. Definitely brought the old schools out today. They got the old schools out. They got the Corvettes. See, I'd rather have that one right there. That one right there over the C8. This is me personally, though. That thing right there. That's nice. That's real nice. That's real nice. Alright, they tripping. That's clean. Tom's Big Burger. Interior done. Bel Air. That Bel Air thing. And we got the Lowriders over here. Show y'all these Lowriders. Bro, I want a 64 Impala so bad. This is 63. I'll take a 63 too, as long as it's SS. Inside clean, you know what I'm saying? Dayton's on that thing. There we go. 1964. 1964. SS too. That's what I want. That's what I want right here. Bagged and everything. Switches, I need all that. 1964. 4-door. Got the 1964 4-door. Ooh, I like that interior. And got the Lokes. You know you got that Lokes if you're driving. Okay, you got the blue bandana too. I see you, homie. Blue dice, all that. You know what I'm saying? You know what it is. That thing down there touching the floor. Got the blue Dayton's on that thing too. You already know. You know I had to show. You know I had to show this one. Sliz ugly.
Everybody that don't know Cory is.
Hello. You want to shout out your?
I don't want to shout out to nobody. Nope. Nope.
So you want to shout out your?
I don't.
Go ahead and get this one real quick.
Get what?
This car right here.
What car?
Right here, dog.
Where?
Right here.
That?
No, right here.
Where?
This blue one.
The who?
Right behind you.
I don't know what that is.
You ugly.
Well, you was very disrespectful.
1965 beard. That thing clean. I like these. I like it. Got okay. Okay. I like that. What is this? 1949 Mercury. That's nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it though. I'm not gonna bore y'all. Just wanted to show y'all some custom cars. Let y'all see what it is out here, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get Safe Alonzo to shout out his which I already showed y'all what it is. Most of y'all actually subscribed to my channel came from Safe Alonzo channel, which I do appreciate that very much so. Safe Alonzo out here killing the game one time for the one time. Hey, bro. You didn't have to make my rap look bad, dog.
Huh?
You didn't have to make my rap look bad, dog. Technically, I should have been parked right here in this spot.
I mean, yeah.
Technically.
But
You know what I'm
I mean,
saying?
it ain't about trying to make nobody look bad, man. You
The
know,
beast thing next to the Hulk thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
We all doing it together. We all
Yes,
say
sir.
the whole crew eat, baby. You know, I say everybody.
Red, go ahead, shout out.
What's going on, man? Rest real in the building, man. Y'all don't know me. Yeah, y'all know me. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to here. Turn on the post notifications. And let's keep going up, man.
Gotta do that.
Already. What's
Gotta do that. Take the mask off one time for the one time.
Yeah, you got
Beard. Hey, living with Cory Mo on YouTube. IG's Cory Mo _, man. Go ahead, come over, show some support, some love. You know what I'm saying? Browse through the videos. Just make sure you subscribe, cause I got some big things coming. Big things.
Now,
You got
what's
yours
yours
out
out
here.
here?
The Beastie RT over there. The white one with the beast on
Oh,
it.
dang. Bro,
Yes.
you bad out shop. Wow.
Yes,
I
sir.
ain't
Y'all,
ask
you
bro.
did me the light. Yeah.
I'm tripping. Yeah. My bad. I don't
Nah,
film like that.
hey, you good,
It
bro.
work no more. You see me out here up front working my tail
Oh,
off.
yeah,
People
yeah.
think I just be recording videos.
I already know.
No.
I already know.
But yeah, man. So his is the white and blue, black one there around there with the demon replicas on it.
Yes,
That we
sir.
saw. Exactly.
Yes,
so
sir.
I got you.
Yes, sir.
So I already had put the YouTube on there.
I bet.
Yeah.
Appreciate
You
you.
know I got my people, man.
Hey, you know, I just did JVA long tube headers, catless mid pipes.
For real?
That thing's
Yeah.
real beastie.
Screaming. Come on over to the channel, you know what I'm saying?
Going on.
Screaming.
Like that, brother.
Yes,
Make
sir.
my sound obsolete, brother.
Hey, you get done with the beard is gone. It's time to go on to the
Oh, yeah.
performance.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
See, I took a lunch break.
Nothing like a good-looking car that can
That can
run.
go fast.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm
Oh,
saying?
yeah.
But I gotta get behind the hook. Spinning